how to turn on or turn off Vibrate for keypad tabs in phone app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Phone app. After click on Phone app, click on this three dot icon and click on Settings. Now in Call Settings, scroll down. Scroll down and click on Call Alerts and Ringtone. After click on Call Alerts and Ringtone, scroll down to End. Sorry, you will see Vibrate for keypad tabs is here. If you want to turn off Vibrate for keypad tabs, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Vibrate for keypad tabs is turn off. If you want to turn on Vibrate for keypad tabs, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Vibrate for keypad tabs is turn on. You will turn on or turn off Vibrate for keypad tabs from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Vibrate for keypad tabs in phone app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.